for men. There's the lineup. Parchment, Stern, Gordon, Harris, Campbell, Prince, Simmons, Campbell, Jerome and LaFrance. Let's go through the lineup. And of course, we will start in lane number 1 with the most decorated athlete in the field. 2011 World University Games champion, 2012 Olympic bronze medalist, twice a World Championship silver medalist, twice an Olympic medalist, including gold in Tokyo in 2021. A career littered with quality, and some would say had it not been for the many injuries, it could have been so much more for Hansa Parchment.
Well, let's admit though, he has achieved practically everything you could. He has been a Diamond League champion, he's been an Olympic champion, he has been a national record holder, still one of the 16 fastest men in the history of the sport. An amazing career.
36 years old now, says he still has a few things to achieve in the sport of track and field. Lane number 2, the 23-year-old, 13:27 personal best, Louisiana State University's Jaheim Stern.
Yeah, 764 indoors this year, representing LSU.
There is Shaquille Gordon in lane number 3, the US Junior College champion this season, has gone as fast as 13:44. Did run a wind-assisted 13:04, but that was with 4.1 behind him.
He also has a 100-meter PB 10:34. How does that speed help him in this race?
Here's Andre Harris of Era Track Club. He's improved to 13:66 this season, 13:85 in qualifying.
Yeah, the legacy, St. Diego, we mentioned, he a part of that big St. Diego team from some years ago.
Jerome Campbell, University of Arkansas, 13:23, his personal best, 13:33 this season. Would have been disappointed not to make the NCAA final.
Yeah, 7th at the World Indoor Championship last year. And that NCAA final, a big one.
There is Demario Prince, only 6th in the NCAA final, but he's twice a World Indoor Championship finalist last year, and this. He is 13:15, fastest in the field this season.
13:12 PB.
Jarvis Simmons, the 23-year-old Clemson University athlete, 13:37 at his best. He's in lane number 7 with LaFrance Campbell of TRS. There he is, 13:30 lifetime best, 13:43 this season. The former Calabar captain goes in lane number 8. A number of former Calabar and St. Diego athletes in this field, with Jarvis Simmons, St. Diego to KC, and Hansa Parchment, Morant Bay to KC, also in the field.
Jarvis Simmons, Excelsior.
Yeah.
3 Jamaican men have gone sub-13. Rashid Broadwell, 12:94. Hansa Parchment, 12:93. Omar McLeod, 12:90. Do we have people joining the sub-13:20? That's the time we want to hear. Anything faster than 13.20 from Ricardo Chambers.
What's interesting about this race, Demario Prince was in that world record race by Jacoby Thorpe at NCAA semifinal.
12:75.
They're on their marks. From 20 to 36.
Set.
Off they go. Shaquille Gordon got up brilliantly in lane number 3. Jerome Campbell going well. Coming through now is the favourite, Demario Prince. Prince goes to the front. Battle on for second and third. Prince ahead of Campbell. And it might have been Jarvis Simmons who got third. Demario Prince wins his first national title, 100th of a second outside his 13:12 lifetime best. It's pretty fast. It's 13:13.
We wanted sub-13:20, and Demario Prince delivered. Came in as a favorite, 100th of a second off his personal best. A nice start here. Stern, though, may have been leading at this point, but Prince knew he was the winner from hurdle number 5, would not be disturbed, pulling away confidently too, and he wins it, leans at the line. So here, Stern of Arkansas, I'd say got to
Campbell,
sorry, Arkansas. But once Prince got to the lead, clean. Again, the emphasis doing extra on a clean race in the hurdles means the world to the athletes going that fast. Sub 13:20, a world-class performance.
Yeah, world-class indeed. And I think the history of sprint hurdling is turning for Demario Prince. Good performance in this final.
Yeah, I think he was unfortunate not to get into the World Championship final last year. 13:13 here. He is national champion for the first time. Jerome Campbell 13:35, just 200ths outside his season's best. Jarvis Simmons 13:39 with Gordon matching his personal best at 13:44. LaFrance Campbell 13:48, finishing in 5th. Parchment in 6th at a season's best 13:58.